Welcome back to our channel. In this video, let us see how to get the analog clock displayed as shown in this web page. It has the clock image which acts as a container for movable hands. There are three hands, one for the seconds, minutes and hours. As we can see, hours hand is smallest one, followed by that minutes and the seconds hand being the longest one. The circle is formed with 360°, hence hours hand, which takes maximum value of 12, shall be multiplied by 30 to form a circle, to cover the circle. Similarly, the maximum value of minutes and seconds are 60, which has to be multiplied by 6 to get converted into the degrees in the circle. Before seeing the implementation, please subscribe to our channel and click the like button. Please write in comments the programs that you are interested. I have the analog clock HTML file and I have given title of the web page as analog clock. Let us define the properties for our body of this page. Display being flux, justify content and align items are to the center. Height 100, view port height. As we can see in the preview window, it's an empty screen. Now we will start have a container class called clock. So div class clock, this is a static class. The properties for our clock class shall be width of 300 pixel and height shall be 300 pixel. We need this to be in the center of the page. So display flux, justify center, align item to the center, and background is the one that I have already have in my PC called as circleclock.jpg, and it shall cover the size to the whole width and height of 300 pixel. On preview, we can see the image is at the center. Now to this we have to have the movable three hands. As mentioned, clock class shall act as a container for three hands. So first let us have the div class hover, which gives the properties or the area for the hover hand to move, and the actual hand class is HR, which is contained within the hover. Similarly, minute provides the area or the container for the movable hand min. Seconds container provides the movable area for SEC. Now we will go and define properties for our hover container, which shall hold the movable hover. So hover is part of clock class. So hover, minute and second shall be positioned to absolute. Now individually for the movable component hover, which is positioned within the hover and the clock, for which we will define the properties as width of 160 pixel and height of 160 pixel. So this is the area at the center where the hover hand shall be moved in circular motion. Similarly, properties for minutes, the area width and height shall be set to 190 pixel. As we can see, minute area is greater than the hours area, and seconds area shall be set as 230 pixel by 230 pixel, and naturally seconds hands will be bigger than minutes and hours hand. Now coming to the properties of movable hands, hover, minutes and seconds, we will say display as flux and justify content to the center, and it shall be absolute position to its parent classes. Border radius shall be 50%. Now we will set the properties for this individual movable hands. For the movable hover hand, before content is nothing, position is absolute, width shall be 8 pixel and height shall be 80 pixel. With background color I will give it as FF1083, as FF is the dominant color, it's sort of a pink color. I'll give a border radius of 6 pixel 6 pixel 00, so that the hover hand will have the rounded corners. We will also set the properties for movable minute hand. Everything will remain same as the hover hand, except that width and height shall be modified. Width shall be 4 pixel and height shall be 100 pixel. As we consider minute hand is longer than the hover hand, hence it is set, and it shall be of color of RGB functionality 26, 219 and 245, so that we get a greenish blue color. Similarly, properties for movable hand seconds shall be width of 2 pixel and height shall be 150 pixel, as this hand has to be longer than our minutes and hours. And background color shall be a function of RGB 121, 11 and 194. As we can see in the preview, we got all our 3 hands starting from the center and they are positioned towards up. Now we should give the movable properties for all our 3 hands. For this we will do a JavaScript code. First we have to get the movable hands class known to our JavaScript. For that we will declare a variable HR for hover, and it shall use document.querySelector for a hover class. Similarly, for minute and seconds, we will use same document.querySelector and get their appropriate minute and seconds class. Now we have got all these 3 movable hands in the variable HR for hover, minutes for minute, MIN for minutes and SEC for seconds. We shall call a function called analog time, and this analog time shall be called periodically using Windows request animation frame, and the parameter shall be the function itself, so that it will get called again and again to update the screen. Let me declare the variable let, which shall take the system function date. Date, as we know, it returns the date time of the system. From this day variable, we will get hours to the variable HH, and it shall be multiplied by 30. As we know, hours of our interest is to a maximum of value 12, and that should be spread across the circle. So 30, when we multiply the hours, if the maximum value of hour is 12 and if it is multiplied by 30, it becomes to 360 degree. That is, it will represent the 12 o'clock. Hence we will get the hours and multiply by 30, as the hour maximum value is 12. Similarly, in variable we will get minutes and multiply it by 6. As we know, maximum value for minute is 60, and to adjust it in the degrees we have to multiply by 6. For example, if minutes is 20, on multiplying by 6 it shall get on to an angle of 120 degrees. 120 will be sitting at a clock value of 4. The same thing is applied to seconds, as seconds can also take maximum of value 60. It shall be multiplied by 6 to adjust as a degrees in the analog clock, which is in circle shape. Now on getting hours, minutes and seconds and converted into their corresponding degrees, we will take the CSS style transform properties, and we will call rotate along Z axis for hours, seconds and minutes in terms of degrees. On taking rotate Z for HH, MM and SS, in degrees, we shall get the movable clock as displayed in the preview window. But here one thing to be observed, the time is 3:40, but the hours hand is staying in 3 itself. So there needs a appropriate representation corresponding to the minutes hand. For that, we will do the adjustment of our calculation by taking divided by 12 and add it to the HH. So now if we see, the hours hand is between 3 and 4 considering the minutes. Please subscribe to get more videos.